Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Shame.
And my brother Shina Peller, I need him here as well. And after the cutting of this cake, you know what Aquila Records is all about. We're magical. My brother Shina Peller is going to give us just one tertiary magic. Sometimes you think magic is tertiary, but it's very, very big. You know, that's the only person that believes that what our dad believed in should not die. And I think that we need to give him that respect. We need to give him that. I need everybody to clap for him, yeah. Trust me. My dad wants every of his children to perform magic. But we all know what it takes to perform magic, trust me. I believe that I'm performing magic already in the nightlife industry anyway. But he is taking the pain. And I respect him. I give him a shout out for that. I love you, my brother.
I love you too.
Yeah. Yeah. Where's madam? Yeah. Where's my wife? Where's Mr. Reed? Okay. Where's Olu? So, Hush baby, over to you because you are a member of this family. So you are going to coordinate the cutting of this cake. Are we spelling Aquila? And we expect spelling. Are you sure? Okay, let's go.
All right. Hello. What? Made it come from? Oh, okay. Okay, the artist there, man. All right. Mr. Nice. Ancestor. Okay. All right. Okay. Busy, come here, come here. All right, we are going to spell Aquila sharply. Everybody, let's do it together. If you appreciate what this family has done for entertainment in Nigeria, first put your hands together for them. Let's clap, let's clap. It's not easy at all. It's not easy for you to have a record label and in 3 years you have done this much. I bet clap, clap, clap. And they tell you, so record label be like nightclubs when they close down as they open. 3 years and counting. Please, we are going to spell Aquila together. Give me letter A. Where did? Oh wow, that's table knife. Give me a letter A. Give me a letter Q. Give me a letter U. Give me a letter I. Give me a letter L. Give me a letter A. What's the word? Aquila. They don't know say fire they come. Me no. Me no. That's what they fed to me for that other day. Not me today. Hey, but it I know already. Hey! Congratulations! Aquila Records at 3. Congratulations! Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Wait for this magical moment.
So I thank everyone. You know, what we've just done is very, very important to me. We just celebrated our 3rd year of hard work.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's exactly everything. Go TV, click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.